Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Baby. This is lesson 2 of our Foundry Bootcamp, and today we are getting hands-on. We're going to upload our data into Foundry and explore what it looks like inside the platform. First thing we need to do is create a project folder. Foundry's file system works a lot like the folder structure on your computer. You can create folders, subfolders, and organize all your resources neatly. We will create a main folder called Phoenix Rental Operations, and inside it, we will make 3 subfolders, one for raw data, one for transformed data, and one for applications. This keeps things clean right from the start. Now let us upload our first file, the properties dataset. Navigate to the raw data folder, click New, and then Upload Dataset. Or you can simply drag and drop the CSV file right into the browser. Foundry automatically detects the file format, recognizes as a CSV with headers in the first row, and infers the data type for each column. It will figure out what that property ID is a string, bedrooms is an integer, monthly rent is a double, and so on. You'll want to double check these inferences and correct anything that looks off. Then we repeat the same process for the work orders and technician files. When uploading the work orders dataset, pay special attention to the date columns. Foundry should recognize them as dates automatically, but if it infers them as strings, you will need to manually set the type to date. Once all 3 files are uploaded, let us explore the data. Click on any dataset and you will see Foundry's dataset viewer. At the top, you have a row of tabs: Preview, History, Details, Health, and Compare. The Preview tab opens by default and shows your data in a spreadsheet like View. You can sort columns, apply filters, and the top right corner shows the total row count and column count. On the left sidebar, you will see 2 subtabs, About and Columns. The About tab shows metadata like who created the dataset, when it was last updated, the file, location, size, and text. The Columns tab shows every column name and its data type. This is where you verify that Foundry inferred things correctly. One more concept I want to briefly touch on is permissions. Every folder and dataset in Foundry can have access controls. Who can view it? Who can edit it? During our bootcamp, this is not a big deal, but in a real production environment, permission management is critical. Alright, at this point, our 3 datasets are successfully loaded into Foundry. In the next lesson, we are going to use Pipeline Builder to join these datasets together and create something much more useful. See you there.